How to find level up notifications settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find level up notification settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and click these three lines in top corner, and now click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find the level notifications, and here you will find it level up notification, and you can turn it off or on just by one click, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.